Hey everyone, and welcome back to another how-to video. It's a special one because it is a viewer request. Sarah requested in for us to make some sour cream pie. So Chef went ahead and did a little bit of research and went and did this. So we got our raspberry sour cream pie. Perfect for the fall season, I might add. It came out really delicious, kind of had a nice tart flavor, but it was so simple to make and we think you're going to enjoy it. So let's go ahead into the spooky spirit and get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and set that oven to 300 degrees and preheat that. Get a large mixing bowl out and you're going to first put your sour cream in there. And all the ingredients with the measurements will be listed down below. Next, go ahead and add some sugar. And 4 eggs. And now you can start to mix this up and make it plain, or you can kind of spice it up. So what Chef did was he added some raspberries to it. You can also do things like blueberries or chocolate chips, totally up to you. Raspberries add a nice little tart flavor, which was delicious. And mix these together. Don't forget to kind of really smush the raspberries and break them apart. Now Chef isn't too keen on making his own pie crust, as everyone knows. So he said, don't worry, you can always just go to the store and pick up your own. Hey, we're not sponsored. Covered that up. But Chef jokes, but he says just go ahead and get a pre-made graham cracker crust from the store. Very simple. Go ahead and take that cover off and pour the mixings right into the top. Just a little bit below it will rise a little bit. You're going to put this in the oven for 1 hour at 300 degrees. After an hour, you're going to take it out. It's going to have a nice little color to it. Put it in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. Once it cools, it'll solidify and just really be easy to cut. After you cut it, you can just go ahead and start to plate it up. Of course, serve nice and cold. And you can do other things like Chef's going to actually throw a little bit of whipped cream on there to help even out that tart flavor. And then, of course, a little garnishment with some raspberries. And there you have it. This is a raspberry sour cream pie. So, again, has a tart flavor, but we think you're going to really enjoy it. Chef did. The team got to try it. They liked it. So, very fun for the fall festival, not to mention very inexpensive and very easy to make. Thanks for joining us. Have a safe Halloween to come. We hope everyone enjoys it. We're going to have a great month ahead of us with some great videos. Cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.